thought I'd do a brief talk about things you can consider maybe if you're thinking about hiring an attorney. This could be any kind of law or any type of matter, be it transactional or something that is adversarial. Here's some questions that you can ask at your initial consult to make sure that the attorney's a fit for you. So the first question you want to ask, and you can frame it your own way, is what is the attorney's temperament as it relates to the action? Are they somebody that's going to want to be very adversarial? Is somebody who want to file a lot of paperwork? Or are they somebody that's going to want to maximize your return on the case? How much communication is the attorney going to be expected to give you? Is updates every time there's an advancement in the case enough? Is it updates every month enough? Is it updates every day? And what kind of attorney are you getting? Are you getting one that communicates the same way? Is the attorney requesting you to provide all documents in a certain format or upload things? Or can you just bring them in and let them scan them? Will they accept emails where you send one document at a time or screenshots, or will they not accept them and say, hey, until you provide them a certain way, I can't proceed? What is the goal of the case? What is your goal of the case? Is your goal a dollar amount? Is your goal a certain product? Is your goal to complete the transaction? Is your goal protection against liability? What is your goal? And these can be put in layman's terms, but good communication could mean a good relationship going forward. The most important thing to remember is if you do hire an attorney, especially if it's something that's adversarial, someone's representing you and you were hurt in an accident, or you're being represented on some sort of land dispute, make sure that your temperaments mesh and that your goals are aligned, because it will be like a marriage. You will be together for a long period of time. And we can't have any disputes in that relationship if you're hoping to get a good result. So I would advise clients to ask a lot of questions when they interview an attorney, and I would advise clients to be honest about what their expectations are with an attorney. I know attorneys are hard to get a hold of nowadays, and they're very hard to get to take your case. That's why this open communication and actually stating your goals will help you identify if it's a good fit or not. So with that, give it a try. If you do need an attorney, make sure that you're prepared with your questions about the more human aspects, not just the elements of the case or the law that you research, but how are you going to interact? And I think that will help you have at least a more civil experience.